What's up, YouTube? This is the Barberilluminati one more time, but today it's not another fresh one, it's a fresher one. I finally have the time to make a video about the barber kit that some of you guys been asking me about. It's about time. So I took the time to put a barber all detachable blade kit for you guys, and I want to be able to showcase a little bit of my store to you guys as well. This is the Barberilluminati store. I cannot show it to you. I cannot show the entire thing to you because I have adjustable clipper here too. Only this is an all detachable blade channel. Therefore, I will keep you guys away from my adjustable blade clippers. However, since my channel is all about all detachable blades, that's what we're going to be talking about. Okay? But anyway, let me drink a little bit of water. How you guys doing? By the way, I thank you all of you guys who subscribe to the channel, who stay active, who reach out to me on Instagram. The all detachable blade movement is happening for real, and I'm excited. Let me take a minute, drink some water, and keep it moving. This video is being recorded at Marvelous Beauty and Barber School. Today is Monday, August 26th, I believe. There is no school today, so I have the place all to myself, undisturbed, so I can do my video. But anyway, before I get started with my all detachable blade kit, I'm gonna show you guys what's behind me. I have some of my favorite tools behind me here. I'm gonna move the camera over, I'm gonna zoom in, I'm gonna show you guys around a little bit, just a tiny bit. Then I'm gonna direct the camera towards this table here and show you guys the all detachable blade kit you guys been asking about. But anyway, let's move on. Up there is some of my favorite clippers. One of my favorite clipper, and this is the one that's included in the kit. The Indies BGRC. I think it's a good value. Bear with me here. I'm gonna unlock the zoom. Yep, okay, it's unlocked. Bear with me. I'm gonna zoom in to some of the items that I have over there. As a matter of fact, let me move the camera over just a little. Yep. All right. Now you can see a little clearer. This is the Indies BGRC. I have a bunch of them. I got the clipper case. And the bottom on the lower left, and then I got the Barberilluminati'S shaver, and I got the Indies shaver. I have I believe the Slimline Pro on the far right. Then this is my all detachable blade collection. I have to point to it, I have to zoom into them. You see how nice and neat? I have the detachable blades all lined up. This is how I do it. Also, below is some of my favorite ointments from oh, there go another BGRC under there. These are some of my favorite aftershaves under there. What else is under there? Some brush and some clipper oil under there. Alright, that's it. But beside all of that, this video is about that all detachable blade kit that I have about right here. That's what this video is all about. Alright, I'm gonna light the camera in. Adjust all the visuals, and then I'm gonna go over each item one by one. Alright, as you can see, this is the entire barber kit. Yep, I'm gonna walk over there. I'm gonna do my presentation right on the table. Hopefully you guys can see clearly. This is the barber kit that I put together as the Barberilluminati. You can purchase that kit from me if you're interested. No pressure. You don't have to buy anything from me. However, some of you guys have been asking. It's only right that I put something together. I'm responsible for teaching you guys the all detachable blade techniques. It's only right that you guys can see what I suggest. If you don't get it from me, you can get it anywhere else. But this is what your all detachable blade should look like. If you want to buy my kit, I'm selling this kit for $500. If you're taking my class, my all detachable blade class, which costs $1,000, this kit is included. If you don't take my class, you can still purchase the kit for $500. You would have to contact me. We'll find a way to make the payments, and I would ship the items to you the same day. But anyway, enough with that. I want to go over each items as you see it on the table to see exactly in great detail what exactly does the Barber Illuminati kit, all detachable blade kit, consist of. Let's go! But anyway, first of all, I want to start with the big ticket item. By the way, the kit includes one of these t-shirts, whatever the size may be. You would finally get one. Alright, this is the Indies BGRC detachable blade ceramic clipper. It comes with the 1 and the 000 blade. That's the main ingredient in the kit. Second, I'm gonna put it back. Maybe not make a mess here. I've been wanting to make this video for a long time. Okay. Second is the blade kit, blade case. The Indies detachable blade carrying case. Voila. Third is the Indies Pro 4 lithium shaver. I'm sure you're familiar with this product as well. It's very popular. Also, another popular items is the Indies Slimline Indies Slimline Pro Li. I'm gonna put right now I have a bunch of the black ones, so I would be including the black ones in it. Okay, and I have one of those favorite barber capes that I use personally in my own private, you see them on the video all the time. This is a luxury, top-notch, good quality cape. It feels like a hug from a supermodel. Trust me. That is included in the Barber all detachable blade kit. Also, neck strip holder with some neck strip included on there. I don't know if you guys can see. This is nothing different. I'm sure you guys, if you're a barber, you're very familiar with these items. Yep. Neck strip and the neck strip holder. Some oil for your clippers. There we go. Oh, I almost forgot. This is one of my favorite clipper razor made by Parker. This is the Parker heavy duty razor. This is included in the kit. I almost overlooked, let me see if I can open it. I almost overlooked this item. This is one of the sexiest razor in the business. It's so attractive. It's a balanced razor. Brand new. It's included in the kit. Okay? Now let me put this thing back and move on to the next item. And of course, I have some of my favorite razor blade here. The Dorco Prime is my favorite. Replacement blade. Okay. Of course, I have some powder, fresh powder. I don't use Cool Care. For as much as I use in this product, I do not like Cool Care. I have my reasons. I'm not gonna go over details, but I don't use Cool Care. I use Clippercide. One is included. I have the Diane neck duster, and also I have the Clubman aftershave premium aftershave included. Also some liquid septic. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with liquid septic. When you use razor, you got to keep one around just in case you nick someone. Boom, that is included. And then two sets of brush. One of them you can clean up your clippers with it. The other one to kind of brush the customers. You see me use them all the time on my videos. Also a sets of combs. I even include an Afro pick on there. Afro pick for the curly hair guys, a styling comb, and then 3 different types of comb, a regular comb, white tooth comb, just a regular pair of comb, and then a flat comb for clipper of a comb. Yep. Now here are the absolute main ingredient. By the way, before I move on to these items, I have to show you guys I'm gonna unbox the BGRC. If you are not familiar with the BGRC, I'm gonna give you a close look to see what's in that box. I'm sure you're curious. If you never really physically see one of these clippers before, you might be curious. What I like about these clippers, I will show you what I like about these clippers. Give me a minute. Alright, let me stop being silly here. Alright, what I like about the BGRC is very simple. Okay? Okay, first of all, it comes with 2 blades. This is a 000 ceramic. It already comes with a ceramic 000. Anyway, let me not open that. It's a 000 ceramic. I had to make this video as short as possible. Okay. And also it comes with the 1 blade ceramic. Okay. Now here's what I like about this clipper. As you use it, as you get familiar with it, and you really like it, right? You can easily convert this clipper into a cordless clipper. All you need is a battery pack and a charger. You're good to go. Here's how you do it. You press this button here, and then you release it from the cord. You insert the battery ender on the charger, and you cordless. So I like the flexibility of having this clipper, of selling it to you guys in case you might want to go cordless one day, because all the clippers are going cordless nowadays. So if you wish to turn it into a cordless clipper, you can. So, and plus it's a very nice and powerful clipper. You see me using that clipper all the time. You know what? I gotta go get my battery pack so I'll show you guys how it's done, okay? Give me a minute. I didn't think of it before it just came to my mind. I'm gonna take a second to go get my my other clipper and show it to you guys how it works. Don't go nowhere. La 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 la. La 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 la. Alright, I'm on my way back. I'm on my way back. Alright, this is how it works. Alright, I'm back. Alright, this is how it works. Okay. You see, this is a clipper. This is one of those clippers, okay? Now, I converted this clipper into a cordless clipper by purchasing the battery pack and then attach it to here. And then, of course, I have the charger for it. And then done. So, the same with this clipper here. As you use it, I'm assuming that you're going to like it. It's a very nice, strong, powerful clipper. Very reliable. It's not going to go bad on you anytime soon. So, I include this clipper in the kit because I feel that if you ever want to go cordless, you can with it. So, that's my story. Now, I'm going to put it back in the box. You know what? No. Just to save time, I'm going to put this to the side. Just to save time. I don't want the video to be super long. Just to save time, I'm going to put this thing back in the box. No, I'm going to put it to the side. I'll just put it back in the box later. How about that? Just to save time. Uh-oh. Exactly what I tell you guys I wasn't going to do. I'm doing it because I'm not a guy that leaves things for later. I'll do it now. Just said I'm not going to do it and I just did it. Wow. Now that's Barber Illuminati. Okay. You see? It's done. I don't have to do it later. Okay. I cannot even help myself. I just said I'm not going to do it and I just did it. Okay. Now, to have an all detachable blade kit, To me, you need all the blades up to 3.5. You can have more, but it's not that much necessary. However, I give you all the essential blades. I have the 5-0. Yep. The 000 is already included in the box already. I don't have to add that to it. I have the OA. 5-0 is the shortest one. The 000 is the second shortest one. And the third one would be the OA. That's included. And of course, the next size up from there will be the one blade, which is already included inside that box right here. Okay? Now, the next blade, which is the 1A, is included. The 1.5 is also included. The blade number 2 is included. And the lastly, 3.5 is also included. Now, to me, according to me, you can have more blades if you want to, beyond the 3.5, but the most essential blades are right here. From the 5-0, 000, OA, 1, 1A, 1.5, 2, and the 3.5. As you can see, if you watch my videos regularly, these are the blades that I most use. From time to time I use my number 4, but it's not that much necessary. However, if you want more blades, of course you can have more blades. Okay, what else? I hope that I covered everything. I don't think I missed anything. Yes, soon I'm going to be announcing when my all detachable blade class is going to be taking place. Let me adjust my camera here. Yep, soon I'm going to be announcing when my all detachable blade class is going to be taking place. Also, I want to continue to thank you guys for being part of this channel here. A lot of people slowly but surely are subscribing, are watching, or following me on Instagram, and I'm very excited about that. As you can see, the channel, for the amount of videos that I have, if my channel was adjustable blade clippers, it would have been taken off by the millions already. As of now, I think I have 404 all detachable blade haircuts. A few of them are a little mixed here and there, but the great majority of the videos that I have on the channel, over 100 are all detachable blades. And I have a few other videos about other things, but the great majority of my videos are all detachable blade haircuts. Somehow, somewhere, the channel is not growing as fast as I expected, but it's okay. I won't quit on you guys. No way. The Barber Illuminati is not a quitter. The Barber Illuminati get it done. I do what I believe in. I do as I see fit. Okay? I'm a full-time barber instructor. I'm the founder and CEO of Marvelous Beauty and Barber School. I'm the founder and CEO of Marvelous Barber School. I own 2 schools. So I know what I'm doing. Anyway, I'm moving on now. I appreciate you guys for believing in me. I appreciate you guys for commenting, for keeping this whole network going. Barber Illuminati. I'm out of here.